Laser Technology Solutions, providing simple access to complex data. In today's growing global economy, to be competitive, you must be efficient. Laser Technology Solutions has developed technologies that enable our clients to accomplish complex tasks in web-centric environments with relative ease. State-of-the-art software, industry experience, and flawless execution are the factors that make our offerings unlike anything else in the market today. With uniquely innovative, industry-leading products and services, we provide our clients and partners with effective solutions in an increasingly complex world. With headquarters in the state of Florida in the United States, as well as branches in Dubai, Tanzania, and India, we have the reach and resources to give you the simple, effective solutions you need when you need them. We strive not only to satisfy, but delight our customers time and time again. That's not just our company policy, it's our company's passion. Laser Technology Solutions, providing simple access to complex data.